In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate time tracking in Monday.com. By the end, you'll have a simple automation running that starts and stops time tracking for you so your team can focus on the work instead of the stopwatch. First, open Monday.com and head to your home view. This is your jumping off point for everything on your account. From here, look to the left side navigation and go into Workspaces. Workspaces help you organize teams or projects, so it's important to pick the one that actually contains the board you want to automate. Choose the workspace you need, then open the board where you track tasks. If you manage multiple boards, take a moment to confirm you're on the one that already uses a time tracking column. The automation you're about to build will reference that column. If you don't see it, check with your admin or make sure your board setup includes it before proceeding. Inside the board, go to Automate at the top. This opens the automation center for that specific board. Click Create to start a new automation. You'll see a search or browse experience with dozens of ready-made recipes. In the search field, type time tracking. This narrows the list down to templates designed specifically for starting or stopping the time tracking column based on an event you choose. Scan the results and select the one that fits your workflow best. Common use cases include starting the timer when a status changes to something like in progress and stopping it when the status changes to done. Pick the option that matches how your team actually works so the automation reflects real behavior instead of forcing a new habit. Click Use Template to load the chosen recipe. You'll now customize the details. Set your trigger, choose the exact status labels, and point the automation to the correct time tracking column. If your board uses multiple groups or parallel workflows, be precise with labels so you don't start or stop the timer at the wrong time. This is also a great moment to keep names clear. Consider how your teammates will read and understand the rule later. When your configuration looks right, click Create Automation. That's it. The rule is now active on this board and will run automatically whenever the trigger conditions are met. A helpful tip: keep your statuses consistent across items so your automation behaves predictably. If you ever update labels or board structure later, revisit this automation to confirm everything still maps correctly. You've just automated time tracking in Monday.com, turning a manual task into a reliable, hands-off process.